So we're going to the old Ayala Mall to meet the sister of an old friend of mine, Karen. Kai, I hope you're watching this. I miss you and I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Just gonna give the pasalubong to her sister, Marion. So let's go! We're going inside the ancestral home. There's Papa and Gigi. Say hi! Hi! Going inside the actual home. This is Aaron. Hi! Hi! And this is Mama and Steven. This is the ancestral home. And there is... I keep on thinking it's Tita Mi. I swear. Every time I do a... She's busy. What's up? Tita Mi, say hi. Busy, busy. This is... Oh! This is awesome. This is a family tree. Lola Lola, Tito Boy, Tita Chi, Tito Papa, Tito Joy, and Tito Bot. That's Lola over there. This is Tito Bot. This is Tito Joy. This is Tita Chi. That's Papa, Tito Boy, Lolo, and Lola Lola. This is the infamous altar. Babe, this is the altar where everybody would get punished. And we would kneel there whenever. Half of my time here or half of my time over there in Lola's room. Chilling out. Vacation. Somebody's. Why are you drinking 7-Up on your vacation?
It's vodka.
It's vodka. How did you pour vodka in?
Well, when we were leaving, I didn't want to take their glass.
Going to the Magellan's Cross.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And so I know 4 months ago in the year 2023 I promised a part 2 for my family vlog letter during my surprise summer vacation in Cebu, Philippines. And the reason for my hiatus this time has honestly just been because I've been busy with my 9-to-5. But that's for a future video.
Tita Mi! Layton!
Now, the realization that I will never become one of those consistent YouTubers out there who are able to spew out content like there is no tomorrow is beginning to settle in, y'all. And I am okay with that.
Yeah, I think that's Leia.
I refuse to just give in to that pressure. I shall stick to creating content at my own pace because I enjoy it and because I want to document my life.
Like in every horror.
Hello, baby.
Like in
In a horror movie?
yeah.
Layton! Hello! Yeah! Hey, baby! Baby! Nasaan ka? Hi!
Anyway, without further ado, here is part 2 of my vlog letter to my family during my vacation in Cebu, Philippines.
Look how tall! I'm taller
Look
than
how short she is.
No, I'm not. I'm tall.
She's trying to fatten me up. Oh,
Lovely vacation.
love you.
I love you.
But I'm not going to let you fatten me
I
up.
never said I'll ask
You're
for you.
putting all my hard work in the
babe,
gym to waste.
We need to call your mom. What are the babies doing? What are you doing? Go inside. You're not interested. Let's go. Boss. Tell them, baby. Let's go again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Dali. Tell them.
Someone's excited.
Oh, your paddleboard! Dali,
7 years have made a difference. Masaba ka karon.
Masaba ko karon?
Oh. Kayo!
That means I am wiser now. Say hi! We're in a jeepney right now. How does it feel to be in the jeep? Babe.
Pretty good.
Hi. Hi, sir. Then I'm alone.
She can do whatever she wants because she's certified already.
And I promised that I was going to introduce you to my sister's family and the rest of my family, like my cousins and my uncles and aunts, or in Filipino, my titos and titas.
Oh my god, why is mommy smiling?
Look at that. Who's that hot right in front of me?
Dole.
Slowly. Do the drop.
Ah. Woo.
Ooh la la, look at that pool. Woohoo. Steven keeps on touching the palm trees. We don't have that in Edmonton, Canada. So this is the first level. Say hi again. Is it focused on you?
A little bit.
Where?
I don't know, my face.
Banana, say hi. I'm good. There you go. Ah. Stop, honey, stay. Go, banana, go. System. 26 tickets. Woohoo! The three of us. Hit the cloud. Go.
We didn't get there.
Yeah, you got four. How many? Air hockey. Go! Whoa! Four in a row. Good job. Ready. He was cheating. I wasn't ready. Yeah. Almost there. It's a tie. It's a tie. Can't believe it. It's a tie. It was so close. Final score. We are one. Good job.
job. Good job. Well then. What was that? Wow. Boys being boys. Ooh la la. Something went in. Oh my gosh, babe, he's better than you!
My ass.
Look at that! Look at the form! Whee! Nice!
Unsa na, ma'am? Unsa naman ta?
Ganahan mo play.
Ganan mo play? Di kinahanglan girls versus boys lagi. Cheers! Wala. Ang amo ko singot. Ang mo singot ka na dagko ba?
So here we are. Sadly, during the time of that video, I didn't realize that it was going to be the last time I was ever going to see one of my closest friends, Karen.
People is the last time, but different table. We're now in pipeline. Right, babes? Yes!
You eat a lot of food, especially when you're around your family.
It means I took care of you.
It's too much food.
Redhead. You get it? You become a redhead.
Because 4 months later, after I went back to Edmonton, her sister Marion reached out to me and informed me of the sad news that she has passed to the next life.
Say hi!
Oh, let me get started. Hello. Zoom in, zoom out. How old are you na, Dai? How old are you? Hello, Jersey. Just a clip, babe. Later as well. I'm gonna make a selfie. Inside Buhi Bar. Say hi, Kebab. Oh, kakit ba na iday? Oy, nakakonsa na kami. Oh, bitaw no, sakto na siya dai. Ah, nice day siya no. Ang seashells no, kanay light. Oh my god.
My closest friend Karen has been battling cancer since, I don't know, 2016 or 2017, and she fought a really good fight. So in a way, I guess destiny meant for us to see each other for the last time. Even through her sister Marion, I was able to get to hug her and feel her presence, and she will always be a part of my life. Kai, this vlog letter is also for you, dedicated to you. I will always remember you as one of my most loyal friends who always had my best interest at heart. I will remember you always, and I cannot wait for us to meet again the next life. So going back to what I was sharing, I always felt like when it comes to creating anything, whether it be content or creative writing or just writing on my journal, I've always been the type of person who valued quality over quantity. but it always took me a while to create and edit them because of my 9 to 5 job. Which brings me to an exciting news that I cannot wait to share with all of y'all very soon. As soon as I start actually living that future goal and hitting that future goal, I'm also going to start documenting my life. Welcome to part 2. Meet the rest of my family, from my sister's family to the rest of my cousins, titos and titas.